Good morning everyone. So we got the delights of Tilgate Park this morning. Absolutely beautiful morning. Been here a couple of times. Going to give my knee a little test this morning, just run a real slow 35. I will get back to you all later. So we're just coming up to the end of Tilgate. Excuse the bouncing, just recording on the phone. Thanks guys. So yeah, so that's Tilgate Park done. First proper run in about 4 weeks. Didn't push too hard. Just aimed for a 30. I think I came in about 28, something like that. But yeah, now just gonna rush back down to watch Mel get a PB if I'm in time, because she won't be that far behind me. Let's go and have a look. Anytime. Here comes Mel. Well done, babe. I tried so hard to get under 30. I stopped twice. Back at home now after Tilgate Park run. Mel smashed her PB on that particular course by 3.5 minutes today. And after yesterday's opening video, my knee got well and truly tested today, a nice slow 28 something. And as of yet, no pain, no problem. So my self-healing seems to be working.